Hello, fellow gearheads and Mustang enthusiasts. Get ready to buckle up because we're about to take an incredible ride through the storied past of a true American icon. This isn't just a car, it's a cultural phenomenon, a symbol of freedom and performance. Our journey begins way back in 1964 and a half, at a place that felt like the future itself. The stage was set at the World's Fair, and the world was about to meet something truly special. When the original Ford Mustang burst onto the scene, it didn't just arrive, it made an entrance. It instantly captivated the public with its sleek, sporty lines and undeniable charisma. And it did all this at a price point that made performance and style accessible to a whole new generation of drivers. Early models showcased a design language that would become instantly recognizable and beloved for decades. This car didn't just sell, it created an entirely new segment. The pony car era was born, and the Mustang was leading the charge. The Mustang quickly evolved, offering drivers choices that suited their style. We saw the introduction of the classic fastback, a shape that remains a favorite among purists. The convertible body style offered open-air freedom, perfect for cruising. Under the hood, the initial engine options provided a range of performance, from economical 6-cylinders to potent V8s. This combination of style, accessibility, and performance fueled the Mustang's early, explosive success. It was clear from the start this car was destined for greatness. As the years rolled by, the Mustang didn't stand still. It accelerated. We witnessed dynamic transitions between generations, each building on the legacy of the last. This period saw the Mustang firmly establish itself as a key player in the burgeoning muscle car era. Legendary performance models began to emerge, pushing the boundaries of what a production car could do. The Mustang wasn't just a stylish coupe anymore. It was a serious performance machine. Think of the names that echo through automotive history, and several Mustang variants immediately come to mind. The Boss 302, for instance, was highlighted for its track-focused prowess and high-revving engine. It was built to dominate the road course. Then there was the Mach-E, presented as a symbol of raw power and aggressive styling. Its distinctive looks matched the potent performance it delivered. It looked fast, standing still. And of course, the name Shelby GT 500 appeared, instantly synonymous with high performance and legendary status. These cars showcase potent engines and distinctive designs that set them apart from the pack. They were the kings of the street. The story of the Mustang is rich with history, filled with moments that defined eras. It's a heritage built on innovation, performance, and cultural impact. Every model tells a part of that larger story. From its initial launch excitement to its dominance on the track and its presence in popular culture, the Mustang's history is vibrant. It's a legacy that continues to inspire passion in enthusiasts worldwide. Looking back, it's fascinating to see how the Mustang's technology evolved. We saw dynamic shifts in engineering over the decades. Key specifications changed dramatically from one generation to the next. Engine sizes grew, and horsepower figures climbed steadily, reflecting the constant pursuit of performance upgrades. We saw the transition from carburetors to sophisticated fuel injection systems, improving efficiency and power delivery. Notable features were added with each new model, enhancing both performance and comfort. Design changes were equally significant, seamlessly transitioning through the decades. We saw the angular, aggressive lines of the 60s and early 70s give way to the more refined shapes of the 80s and 90s. Each era left its distinct mark on the Mustang's appearance. This incredible journey culminates in the modern showcase of today's Mustang. The latest models represent the pinnacle of decades of development. They integrate cutting-edge technology, from advanced driver assistance systems to sophisticated infotainment. We've even seen the introduction of electric variants, signaling the Mustang's adaptation to the future of mobility. This shows the enduring relevance and flexibility of the brand. Comparing current models highlights the incredible performance capabilities available today. The design evolution continues, blending classic cues with contemporary aesthetics. The modern Mustang honors its past while confidently looking towards tomorrow. It remains a car built for drivers. The experience of the Mustang is more than just the metal and rubber. It's the feeling it evokes. It's the carefully curated sound that complements the drive. It's the blend of classic rock anthems that feel right at home in the cabin. It's the unmistakable roar of those muscle car engines, a sound that stirs the soul. It's an experience that is both immersive and engaging, connecting driver and machine on a visceral level. The Mustang is meant to be felt, as much as driven. As we wrap up this journey, the story of the Ford Mustang is far from over. Its enduring legacy continues to grow with each passing year. We want to hear from you. Share your favorite Mustang models and tell us why they hold a special place in your heart. What are your personal memories associated with this iconic car? Let's foster a sense of community among fellow enthusiasts. We celebrate the enduring legacy of the Ford Mustang, a car that has captured imaginations for generations. Its continued appeal to drivers and collectors alike is a testament to its timeless design and thrilling performance. The legend rides on.